You become what you practice. And, this is something I learned as a psychologist. And I think maybe it was part of my temperament to begin with. Is like, if you put off fights, they don't get better, not usually. They usually get worse. And maybe you think, well, I'll be in a better position later. And you might be, but probably you won't. And so that notion that it's not a good time, fair enough. I hate conflict. I really hate it. I'm not built for it temperamentally. But I've learned through painful experience, I would say, and not least as a clinician, that when you see the elephant's trunk under the rug, you can infer the rest of the elephant, and it's going to get bigger as you feed it with your stupidity and your withdrawal, and you let whatever it's feeding on continue. And it's extremely dangerous. You see this reflected in ancient mythology, actually, quite nicely in many situations. You see that this in the Mesopotamian creation myth, where a dragon grows in the background, essentially, that threatens to swamp everything, and that's eventually defeated by a great, Marduk, as it turns out. This is a very old idea that little things left grow in the dark and get big, and so it's not really a very good reason, and especially if your conscience is bugging you, because it's something that looks into the future and says, well, this is kind of small at the moment, but